Hi, I'm Dr. Patterson, and you're with me at Learn One Thing. Learn one thing! Today, the one thing we're going to learn is how to fold a piece of paper. I'm going to use the fold that is usually the very first one in a paper airplane. Now, when you want to fold a piece of paper, it's very important you work on a hard, flat surface. So make sure you're on a hard, flat surface first. Then, if I want to fold down the middle of this piece of paper, I'm going to take this corner of the paper, I'm going to lift it up, and I'm going to match it up with this corner over here. Now I look at that, and I've used my finger as a kind of a stop, and I've got this corner lined up, and I've got the corner at the bottom lined up. Now I hold this side down with one finger, and with the other finger I drag backwards till I get to where I want the fold to happen. As I press down on it, you can see that the other parts of the paper kind of pop up. And then I'm going to take my other finger, I'm going to lift it off of here and bring it here, and I'm going to run it all the way down that fold, and then I'm going to push it all the way up that fold. Now I can tell this fold is pretty good because my corners are still lined up and the paper hasn't opened up on its own. When I do open it up, I can see that the paper wants to close up again because I've given it a nice hard fold. A fold that holds its shape like this is called a crease. It's very important to make nice hard folds or creases in your paper when you're creating a paper airplane. This is what is going to be the difference between a paper airplane that flies well and one that flies, well, not so much. Thanks very much for paying attention and learning one thing with me. I'll see you next time on Learn One Thing!